right, happy Friday, the day before spring break, woohoo! So quick warm up here, and I just wanted to go over the problems in case you had any questions on them. So we have a composite figure here, meaning it's comprised of different shapes, rectangles, triangles. So let's take a look. Our first shape we have is, we'll go with A, it's a rectangle. Of course we know to find the area of a rectangle, it is length times width. So that is 3 times 4. We end up with 12 centimeters squared. All right, our next shape is B, another rectangle. And it looks like we have a 2 by 3, so 2 by 3, which of course is 6 centimeters squared. Finally, we have our triangle. And as a reminder, area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So when I am looking at this, I see the base right here as 2. My height, remember we're looking for the base and the height to form a 90-degree angle. So that would be this line right here. Now it's not labeled, but if I look at the line parallel to it, I can see it's 3. So 2 times 3, and remember that all important, divided by 2. Well, 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. All right, so I now have my 3 different areas. One of the things that I think sometimes is helpful is to go back into your actual figure and write those numbers down, just so you can make sure you've gotten to everything. So A, we knew was 12. B, of course, was 6. And C, we came up with 3. That just gives me a quick glance to make sure I've got the area of all my figures. And now what do you do with those? Well, we're looking for this all combined figure, so we're going to combine those numbers by adding. So 12 plus 6, 18 plus 3, we've got 21. And of course, it's centimeters squared. All right, last problem I had on here for your warm-up, because again, this is a frequently missed type of problem that I see on the test. So the area of a triangle is 36 inches squared. The base is 9 inches. You're asked to find the height. Okay, the height is not 4 inches. As you can imagine, this is a common mistake I see. People think 36 divided by 9, it's 4, I'm done. Okay, let's take a look. Step 1, we're gonna write our formula. So area is base times height divided by 2. Step 2, let's plug in our values. Do we know what the A is, the area? We do. It's 36. Do we know the base or the height? The base is 9 inches. It's our height that we don't know. That's our unknown variable. And of course, divide by 2. So remember, we're trying to solve for h. So we need to get rid of everything else that is with the h. The first thing I'm going to get rid of is this divide by 2. And of course, draw my line. If I do it to one side, I got to do it to the other. 2 times 36 is 72. Remember, these 2's cancel each other out, and I'm left with 9h. Okay? Almost done. I'm just going to divide by 9 on both sides. And I get that the h, the height, is equal to, well, 72 divided by 9 is 8. What's my measurement? It looks like it's inches. And remember, we're not looking for the area, so this is not squared. This is just one dimension right here. That's your final answer. So again, not 4 inches, which is the common mistake. All right, it turns out it's 8 inches. And again, you can go back and check. 9 times 8 is 72. Divide that by 2 because it's a triangle, and you end up back at 36. Hope this helps, and then you're just going to do some practice problems on your study guide today.